We welcome all you to the video of Art Integrated Project, Science. Firstly, I am going to say about medical chemistry. Medicinal chemistry and pharmaceutical chemistry are disciplines at the intersection chemistry, especially synthetic organochemistry, and pharmacology and various other biological specialties, where EY are involved with design, chemical synthesis, and development for market of pharmaceutical agents, or bioactive molecules. How drugs are discovered. Drug discovery involved the identification of new target candidates for testing in humans for efficiency and safety. Clinical testing is part of the development process where potential new drugs are selected for clinical trials. Drugs, mostly are discovered from plants either in their original or semi-synthetic form. Some examples of drugs are penicillin, insulin, morphine, acetaminophen, etc. How do drugs act on human body? The action of drugs on the human body is called pharmacodynamics, and what the body does with the drug is called pharmacokinetics. The drugs that enter the human tend to stimulate certain receptors, ion channels, act on enzymes or transporter proteins. As a result, they cause the human body to react in a specific way. A drug target is a molecule in the body, usually a protein, that is intrinsically associated with a particular disease process and that could be addressed by a drug to produce a desired therapeutics effect. The most common targets of drugs are proteins, G protein, coupled receptors, enzymes, channel ligand, gated ion channels, voltage gated ion channels, nuclear hormone receptors, structural proteins such as tubulin membrane transport proteins. Now I am going to say about the medicines extracted from the herbs and its values. Sasaria costus. The name of the medicine extracted from the herb is Kust al-Hindi powder. The drug is nothing but the powder obtained by crushing the raw root of the herb. The root exerts potent anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and analgesic pain relieving effects beneficial to human health. Sasaria is a genus of flowering plant related to the thistle that thrives in high-altitude alpine climates. Used for centuries in Tibetan medicine, traditional Chinese medicine, art Ayurveda. Sasaria contains atoma compounds called tespins that can alleviate pain and inflammation by suppressing the cyclooxygenase, COX, enzyme. This is the same enzyme targeted by nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like Advil, ibuprofen, and Aleve, naproxen. In alternative medicine, Sasaria is used to prevent or treat an array of unrelated health conditions, including fish heart disease, high blood pressure, indigestion, intestinal worms, liver problems. Sarcastema acidum. The name of the medicine is Pyranil Pamode oral suspension. This medication is used to treat intestinal worm infections such as pinworm, roundworm, and hookworm. Pyrantel belongs to a class of drugs known as anthelmintics. It works by making the worms unable to move, paralyzed, so that the body can remove them naturally in the stool. Thank you.